Family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. This deal that I have today, the haul, is some of the deals that I wanted to do this week. This week is an okay deal. So I was going ahead and I seen, different people posting different deals and everything. And I was like, I'm going to go ahead and do this deal because these items that I am purchasing is the items that I want in my stockpile. Y'all know some videos before I had told y'all that I had stopped doing certain deals because I didn't want them in my stockpile because they don't do nothing but sit there. And then also I don't do the your sales anymore. Believe me, y'all, I love doing the your sales, with the stockpile. I love doing that, not just by just making some extra money, by just talking to people and meeting new people and stuff like that. I really enjoyed it on like a Saturday. But when you get all of that shampoo, conditioner, styler, all that stuff that I don't usually use on a daily basis, it takes up a lot of room in the room that I'm in. And y'all, I am a non-clutter person. I do not like clutter. When I see clutter starts to form, I try to figure out a way to either get rid of it or to move it to where I cannot see it that much. So, and then also, y'all know I have my business that I'm doing too. So it's ran out of my room that I actually have my stockpile in. So it's like part of my room is for my boutique, which I actually make cold processed soap. I actually sell jewelry. I actually sell sunglasses. I mean, I kind of sell different things out of my boutique. Okay. So, I mean, if you want to check out my website right now, I do have my cold processed soaps. So, I mean, and I did a vendor haul, a vendor one weekend, and I did good. And I was so happy on that. But let's go ahead and get back to this video because you wasn't here for that. You're here for this. Okay. So this is what I picked up. So the first thing I got was the U by Kotex. It is buy two, get $2 extra buck back. But I could have went the cheaper route and got liners, but liners don't do nothing but sit around too. So I seen that I had $2 off digital coupons, which was on my app. So these are buy one, get one 50% off. So they were $7.29. So like I said, buy one, get one 50% off. Then when you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. And I did get my $2 extra buck. Okay. I did get that. The next thing is the Oral-B toothbrush, Crest, and I think it was something else. I can't remember. So what I did was I went ahead and got these toothbrushes, these charcoal toothbrushes. There is a digital coupon, $5 off of 3. And then I had a $2 off of one digital coupon too. So instead of me, I thought I had a Crest toothpaste digital coupon, $2 one, but I didn't. It was the toothbrush because I think I used that before. So what I did was I went and got 3 of these toothbrushes. They are $3.99 a piece. So I had a $5 off of 3 and a $2 off of 1, and both of those did come off. So I used that. The next thing is the Colgate Total. So it's either Colgate Total or I think it's I don't know if it's the Optic, but I know it's Colgate Total. It is buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So these are, I believe these are $4.99. Let's see. Yeah, $4.99. I had a $4 off of 2. And I had a $1 off of 1. So I used both of these, and I did get back my $5 extra buck. Okay. Yes, I got back my $5 extra buck. So then the last deal I got was this Degree Advanced Degree deodorant. On the deodorant, it is, let's see, it's either you can get the Degree or Dove, men or women, however you want to do it. So I purchased 2 of these. The deal is, let's see, purchase 2 and get a $3 extra buck back. And so I purchased these 2 because my husband, he uses Degree. And I had, let's see, I thought I had a coupon. I had a $1 off manufacturer coupon that I had printed off. I think it was on, I forgot, Unilever. I think it was on Unilever website because I had printed off like last 2 weeks or maybe last month. I can't remember. So I had these 2 and they did come off on each one because I had 2 $1 off manufactured coupons. It was off any Degree deodorant, so they did come off. So the amount that I rode in to let's see, I think I had $16.84 of extra bucks that I rode in. And after she scanned everything, all my digitals came off, all my extra bucks came off. My subtotal was $7.47. And y'all, that's just the Degree. 1 Degree by itself was, or the U by Kotex. And everything else was like free. So why not have it? You know what I'm saying? Why not go for it? So like I said, my subtotal was $7.47. Let me show you my receipt. There's the OB, there's the Oral-B, there's the Degree, there's the U by Kotex, and there's the Colgate. There is all my digitals and my manufacturer coupon and my extra bucks go in. See my subtotal, $7.47. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And I got that wet, but sorry. So let me see. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Today I saved $46.14 with an 86% savings. And then, here we go. On my extra bucks, I got my 2 for my Kotex, my 3 for my Degree, my 5 for my Colgate, and my 5 for my Oral-B. And then the rest of them are just CRTs. So this right here is my CVS haul, deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Wanda's channel.